Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to my channel. So I've been using this MacBook Air M1 for about a month now, and after using it for a month, do I still recommend it? Watch till the end of the video to find out. The MacBook Air M1 is my first Apple device, and you already might have heard about the M1 chip which is present in this MacBook Air M1. And if you haven't, this is the fastest laptop CPU in the world which is developed by Apple. Its 16 core design is capable of executing a massive 11 trillion operations per second. Along with its powerful 8 core GPU and 8 core CPU, it is really good for video editing as well as machine learning. I would like to show you a quick unboxing before continuing to the review. And this is the box that the MacBook Air M1 comes in. And this is the 8GB RAM 256GB storage base version. So now let's start with the unboxing. And over here you have the Apple MacBook Air M1, and it really feels premium in the hand, and the build quality is just amazing. And you have two USB-C ports over here. And so over here we have the M1 MacBook Air. And you also get a charger and a letter which says designed by Apple in California. So you have some MacBook Air instruction manual and warranty card. You also get some silver color MacBook stickers. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The design is one of the most striking features of the M1 MacBook Air. The classic aluminum body along with the slope edges gives an exemplary look to the MacBook. The MacBook only weighs 1.2 kg, which makes it really easy to carry around. The overall build quality is very solid and it feels premium. The slope edges also makes it more comfortable to type on the keyboard. The 13-inch Retina display is really good. It's really sharp as well as color accurate, which makes color grading videos easy. It has a P3 wide color screen which lets you view 25% more colors than a regular sRGB display, which is going to help video and photo editors as the display is also color accurate. The trackpad is one of the best trackpads you can find on any laptop. It has a large surface area and all the Mac gestures work really smoothly. It has a Force Touch trackpad. The new touchpad houses a haptic engine outputting tactile feedback that will let you feel what's happening on screen. The backlit keyboard on the MacBook is also fantastic as Apple switched from butterfly keyboard to magic keyboard, which has a stable scissor mechanism. The MacBook Air has only two USB Type-C ports as well as a headphone jack, that means you need to use dongles. The MacBook also houses a dedicated function keys unlike the touch bar on the MacBook Pro. Both the Pro and the Air models have a Touch ID which makes it really easy to logging into systems using Apple Pay, as well as the Touch ID could also be used instead of password while logging into apps. And now let's talk about the webcam quality. So this is the quality of the webcam from the M1 MacBook Air. As you can see, it's not so great, but it's okay for a laptop. The speakers are really good on the MacBook Air, and let's take a look at its output quality.
No, I
So the speakers on the MacBook Air are really good and I hope you liked the output quality. And now talking about the battery life. The battery life on this laptop is really amazing. It lasted me for 2 to 3 days and it can easily last you a day without charging. And now let's talk about the performance of the MacBook. Due to the M1 chip, the laptop is extremely powerful for tasks such as photo, video editing, music production as well as for machine learning. And this is the laptop that I'm going to be using for video and photo editing from now on. I've been using the Asus R5580F since past 5 years, which has an Intel Core i5 12GB RAM and 1TB hard disk, and now it has become really slow for video and photo editing. So now I'll be using the MacBook. So I've been using Filmora 10 up till now, which is a really easy to use editing software. And now I'm also learning to use DaVinci Resolve 17, which is a professional video editing software. And I was surprised to see DaVinci Resolve running very smoothly on the MacBook Air, and you could easily edit 4K as well as 1080p videos. So here I have color corrected the video a little bit. And in the edit tab, so I'm just about, you can scrub through it and see how smoothly everything is playing. So DaVinci Resolve is working really smoothly on this MacBook Air. For 92,900 rupees, which is the base model which has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, this laptop is completely worth it. And I got this base model of the MacBook Air M1 for 83,610 rupees by applying student discount as I am studying in class 11th. I will be making a separate video on that topic on how to get student discount when I get time, as my exams are going on now. This base model MacBook has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, and all software still works smoothly on this Mac. But if you are continuously using intensive softwares, then you should opt for the 16GB option, which would cost you around another 20,000 rupees, which is expensive. Or you could get the MacBook Pro M1 if you have the budget. There's no issue with the software. I've used both apps which are optimized as well as not optimized for the M1 chip, but everything runs really smooth. In overall, the MacBook Air M1 is an excellent laptop under 1 lakh rupees. It's blazing fast, it never heats up even without a cooling system. It is silent and it has a huge battery life which would easily last you a day or sometimes even 3 days from my experience without charging, which is really amazing. And the only disadvantage that I found about the MacBook Air are I would like to see a more better design and a SD card slot as well as an upgraded webcam. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.